We want to solve for x in terms of y. We have y is equal to 10 to the x minus 10 to the negative x over 2. Let's multiply both sides by 2. And then we'll subtract by 2y. I want to get rid of the 10 to the negative x, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 10 to the x. So you have 10 to the x quantity squared minus 2y times 10 to the x minus 1 equals 0. So now the 10 to the negative x is no longer there. And this is a quadratic in disguise, so I'm going to let u equal 10 to the x. So that's u squared minus 2yu minus 1 equals 0. And I can use quadratic formula to solve for u. U is the opposite of b, which b here is negative 2y, so opposite of that is 2y, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So now I can simplify the inside here. Negative 2y squared is just 4y squared, and then negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. And then from here I can factor out of 4. So we have basically 4 times y squared plus 1 over 2. And the 4 is going to come outside the square root as a 2. And at this point I can cancel out the 2's. I'm left with u is equal to y plus or minus the square root of y squared plus 1. And recall we said u was 10 to the x. And in order to solve for x, we have to take the log of both sides. So log base 10, since this is 10 here. And we have x is equal to log of y plus or minus the square root of y squared plus 1. And that is x in terms of y.